Hello YouTube. Today we're doing World 2 on Super Mario 3D World.
Yay!
And I'm here with me, Feddy. Vortex of Pain / Clear. Quarky and Termier Gamer. Alright, we're gonna start off with the. We just gotta pick our character.
Quick!
Get out of my team, bro! Get out! Yeah, guys.
Holy low, bro, fix your mic, you're low quality.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
This sound like
Yeah,
you're
your mic is
fucking
fucking-
My bad.
Oh wait,
I did not-
these AirPods.
my bad. Oh my god, I got the wrong
freaking
mic. My
Nokia mic. Anyways, we're gonna head over to World 2 now.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Go with the fucking pipe.
Shut up. Alright,
Okay, let's get the tab for the.
let's go here. What is this
I'm
again?
so
Oh,
excited. It's a stand.
Yeah.
Like, wait, guys,
One
this
stand.
is where we get to the first mystery. Wait, do I have a high-pitched mic again?
No.
No.
Okay, I thought it did for a second. But yeah, this is where we have the first mystery house, guys. Let's go.
Oh, we have to fucking.
Yeah, we
go.
can't even go to that. We have to do all this stuff first.
Yeah, we kind of can't like continue with the rest until we like. Yo.
Actually, I made
Yo.
you that.
Tommy!
No! Oh my god, tell me!
No.
I forgot my A and B buttons were switched.
What the fuck?
Oh, we were already getting.
We're already filled up on fucking
Oh
cat
wait,
suits.
I think there's something over there on the left.
Why would
Wait,
you?
yeah, I think up here.
Oh
is when
shit,
you
yeah, we gotta go
have
back.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there's just a gold pipe here.
Oh yeah,
Oh
there's
fuck, the
something.
first star.
I got it.
Alright, now we just need the second one.
All right.
I'm just gonna stay bubbles for a bit,
so
cause like
Never mind, it didn't let me bubble.
gold pipe.
Okay, I guess. Okay, we can't make it over there. Let's just go like right.
Bro,
How the
my
fuck
button
is
It's right here. It's right here.
It was me. How do you bubble? I'm hitting L and R and it just doesn't work.
No, sometimes
Okay,
it's
so working
like in the
one.
original in the original Switch version. Yeah, it's like fucking delayed for some reason.
The original Switch version.
Okay, that makes no sense.
The original
No,
Switch
fuck.
version.
I mean, on Wii U version it was freaking. Oh, kill yourself.
There's more coins.
Wait, can't you just like go on the wall? No, you cannot.
No!
I killed myself.
Real Gamer's cooking right now, bro. That's it.
Yeah.
Alright, got us up to 5 lives.
How do you kill with a fucking? Yeah,
I
5
want some
lives.
cat
That's like-
suits.
We already
You already have
some.
some.
Oh crap, that
No,
works.
that's what I meant. Oh shit!
Hold on.
I just killed this bitch ass.
Bro, what are you doing?
Wait, the star little bro. What if it's behind there?
I'm trying to get a red coin.
No, the star. The second star. No, the second star's like right around here.
Wait, what the fuck?
We gotta
Oh,
stop.
crap, my bad. I didn't mean to throw you. Yeah, I don't think it's up
No,
there.
it's not
Okay,
there.
guys,
shit.
stop.
Oh, I know where it is. It's here. It's here. The second star's here. Oh shit! I made it.
Yo,
Damn.
clear!
I made it.
No!
You got saved.
Wait,
You
you
got
guys are
saved.
stupid.
We gotta
you
go
guys-
back.
We
Bo,
needed.
gotta go back.
We needed that guy. Do
Okay,
not
let's
kill
not fuck
that
up this
thing.
time.
Do not kill this thing. We need this guy.
Okay, kill it.
We could have just used the cat power,
let's
but
just go.
alright.
Okay. So the
stamp.
third star is over here.
Kill this guy.
Do we get
Now what, Cheeks? Oh, Captain Toad. Oh, bet Cheeks, we win.
Yeah! Okay. Let's
Oh my god. Okay.
Go.
No. There we go. Ah, shit! Good side. Good side. Good side.
Come on, come on.
Okay, okay.
Let's go. Oh my god, we just lost a life. We just lost a life.
Wait, you're joking.
Oh, I have
Boom,
bad
quick,
shoes.
get out of the map. Last
God.
second.
Yeah, I
Oh
fucking
my
died like
God.
last second. Wow, it's Mario. Oh, I think we finally unlocked fucking. Okay, now you can press the down arrow. Okay, so Feddy, we can actually press the down arrow this time.
Alright.
Wait a second, so we can actually like unlock it. I think we wait for this to finish and we actually unlock it.
Okay, do we want to do the top one or the bottom one?
You can use amiibo. What do you mean?
Turn your adventure.
Amiibo.
Down arrow.
That doesn't do shit.
That is not down.
Do we still not have the fucking camera?
We have
Let's go.
we have this, but that's all. That's for with the
No,
right
okay,
joystick.
do we want to do the? Okay, wait, guys.
Let's do the secret one. Let's do the other one has the mushroom house.
Hold on. A bit off topic, but is there an extra life like towards the bottom of the?
Oh yeah!
there is.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I know what you mean.
Go right. What?
Oh shit, I'm going the wrong way.
No, it's to the right. Yeah, no,
Yeah, you're going the wrong way.
Yeah,
Yeah, right
follow
here, right
that
here, right
path
here.
right there. No, go to the bottom. Yeah,
There
go
we go.
follow that
Now
path
we-
right there.
Yeah.
Oh, there's yummy stars over there, bro. Oh, look, a 1-up. 9 lives.
There we go. Now we're back to 9.
Oh, I forgot you could do that. Alright, y'all, let's do 2-2.
Yeah, let's go follow the order.
Yeah.
Following the order is a great idea.
Fuck!
Yeah, this is what. Okay,
Yeah, this one I gotta
so-
use the mouse.
Oh
This one
my
I gotta use the
God.
mouse
Yeah,
for.
thank
bro.
God.
This is
Thank
tough.
God. Thank God we found it.
Yeah, I might need to grab a PlayStation controller. So
No, no, no.
No, I have to
Dude,
touch.
even
I have
if-
touch.
no,
I have
wait,
touch.
Here's the
Well,
thing.
yeah, but, like-
even if you have a PlayStation controller, it still wouldn't work because it's
No, yeah,
Parsec.
no. With Parsec,
Yeah,
you're able to
Parsec
change it.
is a
You're able to
fucking-
know.
Wait,
Touch this.
You're-
Wait, Feddy, touch this. This is where the stamp is.
Wait, we're dumb.
This is where the stamp is.
We can actually touch it. We just need to, like, position our characters. Look at this. Then let's look at this.
Bro.
Into this. See? We don't even need gyro.
You don't need gyro.
We don't fucking need it. We're
I'm
dumb.
trying to multitask right now, trying to get like give technical support and do
Here's
this.
the first star.
Ah!
Oh, Feddy!
Daniel fucking.
Feddy, you know what we can do?
Do-
Feddy.
We're going.
Feddy.
Where's my mouse at?
Oh!
I don't know. Ow. Oh. Ah! Who did that?
Bro!
Feddy, can I ask you a fucking favor real quick?
Oh, I get it.
Okay, that works.
Feddy, can I ask you a fucking favor, please?
No, wait, no. Even if we had the Wii U game, yo,
Hold
we
up,
would
hold
have
up,
had
no,
to
here,
blow up.
Here, look. But you know what? Like, Parsec.
Cool shot.
Finish this level first.
I am. Okay, let's finish
I'm
this
not
level and
switching to
then.
PlayStation, but I ain't doing all that.
You don't need to do
Yeah,
that.
I know, you don't need
for the
to
ones
do
that
that.
actually use a PlayStation controller.
Yeah, like me.
Yeah, like
Oh, never mind.
Yeah!
No!
Beast! Oh my god, I saved! Oh my god, I just saved y'all's life. I just saved y'all's fucking life.
Holy! Okay,
it's like
let
a-
me get the
Wait.
car, bro.
Let's go!
Oh, we all have the star.
Oh yeah, if you touch somebody with the
Yeah.
star,
I
you
hit the
get the
boost
star.
battle this time, but I still got left behind.
Yeah, he's so
Why
got.
does this always happen?
He's made it.
Oh, there's a question mark block back there. If y'all.
Let's go.
Nah, fuck that. Oh, ah!
Oh wait, shit!
I did.
No! Wait!
Please. Like the game is
Now,
okay.
whoever
It's
Cat
like- it's
Cat
like-
Toad is, go.
I can't hear anybody. It's like sounds like a fucking Zoom call.
Okay, so we made it. Just
Oh shit!
wow.
do that one. Do that one.
Luigi! Wait, your cat, just climb up the tower, your cat.
Yeah, just climb it.
Yeah, I wanted to wait for you.
Okay, thank God.
Oh my
What
god.
about me? Damn. I got left out.
That is the most scuffed thing ever.
Yeah, we need to
Yeah.
switch this to DualShock immediately, bro.
Yeah, let's change it to DualShock so we can, so some of us can actually have gyro controls.
Let me switch to a PS4 controller
Oh
or a
yeah,
PS5
Yeah,
controller.
everyone just switch to an actual controller.
I love Xbox controllers.
This is the most scuffed. Oh
Gameplay.
no.
Where am I?
But like
Oh
at
shit!
this point,
Where the
this is
fuck
so
am
scuffed.
I?
I need to use my PlayStation controller.
Dude!
Okay, so
This is a really
oh, yo,
fun
the
level. and I
vibration
enjoy
works
it.
though.
my gyro works.
Yeah, vibration
Hey, I'm
works
actually-
for me.
My gyro works.
Oh yeah, my gyro
yeah,
works.
it
Let's
does.
go.
I thought my gyro was working for a second. Apparently isn't. Okay, I need to go.
Yo,
Can I
wait.
use the D-pad? No, I
Wait,
gotta use
wait.
the joystick in this stupid ass
Yo.
position.
Oh my god, whatever. You know, you can also use the hand to grab stars, right?
Oh, I can?
Yeah.
So, I'll just do that, because I have motion.
Okay, why won't it let me out of the... Oh, wait, I am out. Come on. Who am I? Oh, yeah. Oh, that is not what I was pressing. Okay.
Wait, guys. Bro!
Don't get the button. Oh, wait, you don't even need the switch?
Yeah, you don't even need to touch the button. It's weird.
Hold on. That's... Bro.
Oh, shit.
Only leaving me behind.
That's the point of the game. This is leaving people behind simulator. Gosh, should we do a race with Ryan?
I would rather die than play that again.
Why? Give me one good
I
reason.
guess I got... bro. Oh.
No, what?
Don't leave. What? Clear!
Yippee! We're gonna play Race of Ryan now. Okay, no. I least finish World 2 before playing Race of Ryan. Race with Ryan.
Again, I would rather
Oh,
die
wait,
than
wait,
play
wait.
that again.
Okay, hang on. When we finish World 2, we need to make it clears me. So we can actually, like, use them in games. Because we actually forgot to do clears me, now that I think about it.
No, guys, I think we should.
Oh, wait, down.
Let's
What
put.
D-pad down.
Yeah, push down arrow!
It doesn't do shit.
Let Clear speak. He's trying to say something.
Go to the pipe.
I was
What
gonna
is this
do that.
pipe, bro?
Oh, let's go!
Oh.
Small! It's small!
Hey,
It's small!
small.
Last
Yeah,
time
small.
it was big. So it's small now.
It's small box.
Yeah!
Holy shit.
Yo, can I have a power up? Thank you. Oh.
It was not the big one!
Shit.
Hang on, Feddy.
Dude. Okay, go to the mystery
What the
house.
fuck? What the fuck?
Yo, oh my god.
Yo, wait, turns out you're able to speed in the fucking world. I didn't know that.
Yeah, you didn't know that?
No, I've been
Fucking
thinking my whole life
don't
about
know
that
that.
shit. Welcome to the mystery house. Good luck now, get going. Holy Peach.
Here we go.
Let's go. Beat the shit out of them. Oh.
Holy, I can't fucking deal with this shit.
Move!
Can you stop I can't move if you pick me up. Bro, I missed
Go.
on a start.
Yup!
Okay. My bad. My bad.
Bro!
That guy clear doesn't get in. This is not that hard, actually. Oh shit, Katsu.
Can we beat him again? Okay, I think I see.
Their heads.
Well, you can do that? I think we were supposed to, like, actually use the Katsu.
Okay, y'all already got it.
Damn, I fucking wonder who got all the coins. Kill yourself.
Fuck, bro.
Alright. How much you want to guess that Luke is? Oh, fuck.
Bro,
Damn!
some
Yeah,
fucking
but,
bullshit. Oh my
dude,
god, I
like
fucking
four
hate this
of
level.
Dang it.
No,
Oh,
bro.
it's the
Wait, you need.
mindfuck.
Wait, Feddy. We need you. What? What? What?
What the what?
What was that? Yo, what? No,
We should have tried to press A, actually. We should have tried to press A to see what would happen.
No, go to that level, bro. Okay. What are you doing?
I want to see if there's anything in here.
There's nothing.
No. Okay,
Cheeks.
wait, wait. Oh my god, I just realized. Guys, this is perfect for 4 players because you have to play
Yeah.
a specific character
Yeah,
for
you
each
need
level
to,
to
like,
grab the
specific.
stamp.
Yeah, there's some
In this
levels that
level,
require,
Mario
like,
has to be
specific-
the one to collect the stamp.
Yeah. Because you need to
I
press
just
this-
realized that.
Yeah. Like, look. See?
Right
You press
here.
This button.
Oh, here's the big Mario button.
Then,
Yo,
I haven't done that line in 3,000 years, bro. Oh shit, there's free stuff!
yeah, there's a.
dude!
Guys, there's a
Let me grab the
star.
star!
At least let me get the fucking cat suit. Go.
Wait, isn't this the level that you like? Isn't this like the title screen?
What? Yo!
No, not the title screen. Like the splash screen level.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we just missed this out.
Oh shit! No, we didn't.
What the fuck?
Everything else is on the pipe. Mine.
Are you sure we didn't just skip anything?
I know.
yeah.
Star, guys.
Like the second and third star on the bottom. Go to the bottom.
Wait,
Wait,
go into that pipe.
Dude, okay.
I'm waiting for them to grab that. Okay, there we go.
Oh my god.
But I can't control.
Okay, and for this last one,
Bottom. Yeah, we're good.
we just went through this level like super quickly. Wait for me.
Hey,
Wait for me.
no.
Toby was right there.
Again! Ricky, again!
But why the fuck?
Oh
are
wait,
we
this is the
cooking?
cherry level. We're
Yo,
doing
why
the
does this
cherry
take
level
forever?
now. Because we had so much time. Yo, this is the cherry level.
Okay, let me get.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, that's actually much closer than I expected.
No shit, my mouth.
Oh, never mind. Gambling now.
Gambling,
Let's go
Gambling.
Guys, let's try to not. Let's let Feddy
What did
try to
y'all-
do it. He has the
objection?
least input delay.
Please, Feddy, don't fuck up.
Cherry. Oh!
Oh my god, wait.
Cherry!
Fuck!
Aw.
One more, just. Ah! Oh!
Okay,
Yeah!
that's actually terrible.
2 lives.
Got too confident. What happens if I just tap on it?
Dude!
You left us behind.
Yo, go.
What?
Yo, go.
Fo, just look at Luigi. Wait for me! Wait for me looking fucking.
Yo, look at all of us just jumping straight.
Yeah, okay. Oh, wait. If you
What
press
the-
plus in the section. By the way, guys,
Got it. Okay.
I'll tell you something. Beware of what y'all press. If y'all, you know there's like a little character selection screen? Like when you start a level, there's like a character selection.
Yeah.
If you
Bro.
press plus, it randomizes every character.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Like
Hold up.
Feddy can end
Let me
up being
open
like
up. Let me open
fucking
up File Explorer.
Peach.
Fuck, that's not a
What are you doing?
I am a choking.
We're in the middle of the recording, dude.
Do you still have Amiibo main?
Plus.
I did
No,
it.
bro.
We'll do it. Let's do it for the boss level.
What?
Why can't I move? Current game. Stop.
Okay, hold left D-pad and press F2. Y'all left.
No, we are getting left behind because you can't. This guy can't fathom
I got
the
Oh my
the
god.
concept
We
of
can't see!
Oh, what the?
Oh, that.
Hold like the left D-pad the whole time.
Bop!
Bro.
Yo, nah, bro.
I'm pretty sure we're supposed to have a duplicate here.
Oh wait! Hold it, I can hold it.
What?
We don't. We're.
Wait.
What are you,
No!
Who's up?
No! No, we crashed the game! We crashed the game! Okay, stop! Amiibo. 2. Move this to the side to not
what part
disrupt
of
the game.
not move? What part of don't move do you not understand?
Actually, y'all are able to move. It's just like you can't just push me out of the way. That's the thing.
Hey, what?
I see.
Yo, I'm trying to find an amiibo. My fault.
What's your Mevo?
Bowser. Star! Oh, no! Thanks.
Oh, yo, somebody grab this one.
Yo, what about the stamp?
The stamp's right
The
here.
stamp is no. The stamp. I think the stamp is on like. Oh yeah. No,
Oh yeah, it's up there.
Somebody
Oh.
grab the cherry.
Let me get the fucking cherry. I don't have shit.
I
Yo,
can't
get
keep
the last
track
one.
of anything.
Let's go.
I didn't even know I had a third one. Bro, let me catch up.
Tomio. Stay still. What? Hang on. Hang on. Stay still for a second, Tomio.
No, go up here, guys. Go up.
Yeah. Just give me a
Four.
second.
What does 4 mean?
Okay. We can do it later.
On here.
Then go on here.
Did you kill my
Clear.
nothing?
No, it was just a bubble. No, like the bubble fucking killed him. Oh wait, we don't even need a clone.
Alright, we're good. Just fucking finish the level.
Wait, okay.
Let's go.
Get this stamp.
Let's go.
Please don't leave me behind. I didn't need to grab it. The die.
Fucker. But how,
Tell me
why did you
die,
die,
bro?
Bro, fucking
I'm
stole.
trying to do a dive, and I keep getting the buttons mixed up because of the fact that I'm trying to play a Switch game with the PlayStation controller.
Fucking
Bro,
kill
fucking
yourself.
sold.
Third? How the fuck did I get third? That's some bullshit.
Oh, I beat you for like 40 points. No, 80
Fuck
points.
that. Fuck that shit, bro.
Imagine getting beat by 80 points. Okay, we're doing fucking world. What? There we go.
Literal loser
World
from
2.
fucking Mario 3D World with 3 other idiots.
What? Is bro talking to someone?
My coworker.
Okay.
I'm playing 3D World with just 3 fucking idiots.
Fuck you, bro.
No, it's an
What?
auto scroller,
Suck
bro.
a dick,
It's a
bro.
fucking auto scroller. I'm going to kill myself. Oh, shit.
I mean, at least now Tomio has enough time to fucking run around.
Yeah. What if I do this? Can I like just? Bye guys.
Yo! Omeo!
Shit, I actually didn't mean to pick him up.
I hate how freaking like 1080p looks on this emulator. Like, how the fuck does 1440p look on this? Oh no, this is 1440p.
Yeah,
How
this
the
is
fuck
funny.
does 16
Yeah.
times look on this emulator, bro?
Number one, that doesn't
What?
exist. Number two, it'll look the same.
Oh, we're going to need this. We need one of
Games-
these. We need one of these for the
one of these.
star.
Yeah,
Running on
guys.
1080p, it's gonna look the same. What, bro?
Yeah, what do you think
Let me
it's
take the fucking kid. I don't even care anymore.
We need like at least one of them. Like, is there friendly fire?
Each other.
There's friendly fire! Tomio, get over here!
Bro, do not friendly fire, guys!
I
But
thought
like,
that wouldn't do anything.
Wait, there's a bit of Odyssey movement. Fuck!
Do not friendly fire, guys. Stop!
Over the
I'm trying, dude! I don't know how to stop!
Oh,
You
Okay?
literally pointed!
there.
I'm trying to not point to no one!
You fucking
My
piece
crown.
of shit.
This is my crown. I deserve it.
Fuck!
I worked hard for it.
Wait,
No!
someone
Wait,
kill
we
a cat
need
suit.
that.
No, we need a cat suit.
We need
We
that.
need a cat suit! No, we can also use a cat suit, I think.
You
We
idiot!
can also,
That's
we
not
can
how
also
it
use a cat
works!
suit. It is! I remember! We have a cat suit! We have a cat suit!
I can't keep track of
Okay, try, please.
what part of
Fuck.
puzzle does this game not understand.
Okay, get the stamp. Dude, half of the video is going to just be this. Just us getting all stars.
Get up here, Feddy.
Okay,
Get up here,
let's
Feddy.
see where- Yes!
Move.
Finally! Holy shit! Wow.
Just go and fight, bro.
Let me grab power up at least. Bro!
Oh, I don't like this.
Oh, it's the guy. Wow. I'm just gonna like.
Wow.
Okay, no, I need to actually fight.
Don't you love not lagging because we're playing one right next to each other?
Oh my god.
Win. Damn, that was the.
Guys,
Am I
let's be
If I get
careful
left
with this
behind
one.
one more
Someone
time,
get
I am
the
going to
fucking
spree.
golden flag. Please.
I don't even
There's
care if
one
I'm
that-
not gonna get the crap anymore. I just wanted to get on
Thank
the
God.
flag. Finally!
Fucking missed.
You missed! And we all.
Damn, we gotta go back.
Yeah, go back to. Okay, bye guys. We're going to do our 3D
Wait,
later
okay,
again.
shush. Let me do the outro.